Thunderstorm warning for southern Monson County in north-central Georgia, southern Dawson County in north-central Georgia until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Louisville or near Dahlonega, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60-mile gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dahlonega, Johnsonville, Doherty, Silver City, Hollis-Latham Reservoir, Aurora, Garland, McKee, and Juneau. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-644-4664 to your report at NWS Atlanta.